Okay, good morning sa tanan nga mga nagsubay karon sa atong Facebook Live nga pag-cover sa formal nga pag-assumer sa mga tungdanan sa bag-o nga mga opisyal sa lungsod sa Hilongos. Di pa lang yun dugay natapos ang gipahigayon nga Santos nga misa diri sa parokya sa Immaculada Concepcion sa lungsod sa Hilongos. Gitabungan kini sa tanan nga mga tag-as nga mga opisyal sa lungsod. Perti inita sa panahon apan sama usab niya na kainit ang paghangop sa mga Hilongos nun sa mga newly elected nga mga officials. Niya ang atong mga opisyal sa lungsod sa Hilongos. Kanhi Vice Mayor o karon konsehal na Manuel Cavisan, si Engineer Boy Ortiga, sinatote nga motorol sa iyang trono ng atong ma'am training sa Rati si Ma'am Badit Nervis, ayang amigo pastilan way paglumad nakuha sa isang hinapay bus aton lura ang atong bagong mga baga samahan sa lungsod Vice Mayor Albert Binto Villahermosa. The man of the day, the man of the hour, Boss Linlin Villahermosa. Okay, so mau ni Bolnya the number one councilor Padong ni undisputed Boss Bong Bong. And ang mga pamilya sa mga opisyal, ang big man Konsyal Edward Valier. Uy, na mag-classmates ang bata. Ma'am Allen Rioma, congratulations ma'am. Itonol na nimo Attorney Jonel ang imong trono. Dili pa? Adi pa? Unwilling pa? And the undisputed legendary councilor Konsyal Boyong. Motonol nga to sa bagong henerasyon.
Tulo na lang ka oras.
Kapit na mabubos ang tanan. Okay, so mao ni ang setup karon mga higala diri sa Plaza Rizal sa lungsod sa Hilongos. Together with the department heads sa lokal nga pangamahanan sa lungsod sa Hilongos, diya ang atong MC. No. Kuani di MC LN Limuel Nervis. Okay, si Attorney Limuel Jan Nervis may MC. Ako ni tanan. Ay, Sir Jim Olo, usa sa mga department head din sa lungsod sa Hilongos. Peso. Oh, papiso-piso lang ni May, pero City Civics Bank kini.
Dollar po sahay.
Okay. O niya na hanay na set up na ang tanan diri sa Plaza Rizal. Nagsugod na og hugop ang mga Hilongos nun nga buot nga mosaksi niining formal nga pag-assumer sa pagtimon sa rindas mga mahanan dinhi sa lungsod sa Hilongos sa bag-ong mga opisyalis sa atong mahal nga lungsod. Uy, di mag-atong amigo Digido bantog rawa na mo tambong. Di apod ang mga golden ladies. Uy, dudong balik-balik. Mo ni ang atong technical team diri sa atong tulda diri sa Plaza Rizal. Pastilan Ate Tots. Congratulations Ate Tots. Okay, so hangtod nga doon natin signal kay ganina na apiki ang atong signal pero karon okay na. Okay, the patriarch of the Villahermosa family, Tatay Rojing Villahermosa. Itom kay buhok. Manoy. Okay, so mao ni ang sitwasyon karon sa palibot diri sa Plaza Rizal sa atong lungsod, no? Together with the security personnel, ang atong mga staff sa rescue and all, no? Tuwa ito amigo Attorney Richard Otrira, produkto sa UP Samar. Okay, pero inita ang palibot karong mga higayuna diri sa Plaza Rizal. Atubangan jud nga bahin sa atong balay lungsod. Onya temporaryo nga dili una kagian ang tunga-tunga nga bahin sa kinapusuran nga parte sa atong nga lungsod sanglit doon na may aktibidades. Apan pipila ka oras human ini mamahimo na usab nga makaagi ang mga motorista. Hugot ang seguridad nga gipatuman, tanan nga mga security personnel ang niya karon sa ato palibot aron sa pagsiguro nga hapsay og malinaon ang pagpahigayon sa seremonyas. Ayay, ang amigong Kapitan Central, Kapitan Teddy Robles. Dapat kwintas-kwintas. Okay, si Consiel Christy Blanco, di mo nagad, strictas personal. Oy, dira ka tong amigo. Huwag paglubad. Mano tikoy. Oy, Engineer Roy Marilia tuwa dito. Ang mga taga-kuan, ang mga taga-amo, taga-USA.
Mga parilya.
O, dira na yung mga pariner.
Parilya?
Aprilia?
Oh, parilya.
Hay, ego di ay.
Oh, parilya.
Oy, amin dito, amin. Na diri skilled ang mga golden ladies.
Amaroy.
Mga golden ladies. Huwag paglubad. Mulubad pa'y putiin nila. Okay. Oy, ang mga kinakusgan sa mga pink movement. Niya, bisan pa sa kainit sa panahon, laglagiting ang kainit sa adlaw karong mga orasa, panwa kini makabalda o makabangbang sa pagsaksi sa mga hilongos nun nining momentous event. Ma'am Ann, good morning. Okay. So, mao ni ang palibot karon atong ipakita ninyo ang palibot sa atong lungsod diri sa kinapusuran nga bahin. Hapsay ang tanan, wala problema na atong taga Bureau of Fire nag-attendir sila together with our rescue personnel. Ang atong kapulisan sa lungsod sa Ilongos, traffic management personnel naa hapsay ang atong kadalanan. O niya, niara. Ay, ang mga way paglubad ng mga opisyal. Pag-uy, direct tayo katalisay. Buwa ka ng buhok. Oy, si Owen. Mao itong lawasa. Mao doon, no. Wailalis, palir doon. Si Kapsil, advance happy birthday, Kapsil. Kapitan Itis, talam mo sa Barangay Owak. O niya. Sir, kumusta atong security, sir? Si Police Inspector, sir, no?
Police Lieutenant.
Lieutenant na di ay, wala utro naman di ay. Police Lieutenant Villarino. Sir, kumusta man, sir, tong security karon sa atong palibot din sa inauguration sa atong mga bagong opisyal?
So far ini nga activity yan na mao-consider na mo nga well and secured. Kasi the whole police force of Ilongos Police Station are all deployed in every strategic location just to provide this activity a secure one. Thank you po.
Okay, thank you, sir. Ang pangabaga sa hipit kapulisan din sa lungsod sa Ilongos. Onya, wala, any moment from now, formal na taga mo sugod sa seremonyas o programa diri sa Plaza Rizal nining inaugurasyon sa bagong mga opisyal. Okay, so play na to papakita ang atong mga opisyal sa lungsod sa Ilongos na sila. Ana sila? Oni ang atong mga opisyal together with their families and friends. Ini mga galang usa ka kalihukan nga dili ang insidyaton ni bisan kinsa. Okay. Oy, si Father Mons. Si Monsignor Gaviola. Okay.
Good morning.
Okay, ari na ta sa formal nga kalihukan si Attorney Lemuel John Nervis maoy master ceremonies nini
To be your
karon.
host for this momentous occasion in our municipality of Ilongos. I am Attorney Lemuel John Nervis.
Ay, gatong amiga.
Currently
Friend.
serving as your municipal legal officer of our
Konsehal Pipot Fulansi. 3 hours na lang.
This event is very important to all of us Ilongosnan.
Arita.
Not just
Aminat ang
our
Attorney
newly
Lemuel
elected
Janavis.
municipal officials, but to all of us who have reposed our trust and confidence to the new administration of our municipality. This oath-taking ceremony that we are going to witness is not just a mere formality, but this is a solemn occasion wherein our newly elected officials shall vow, declare, and manifest their faithful
Balising
adherence
tagamay.
to the law
Migo.
as they embark
Mo.
on their
Agi na
journey
ko gamay, Migo.
to public service,
Karat.
guided by the principle that public office is a public trust. So ladies and gentlemen, fellow Ilongosnan, be part of this momentous occasion as we make history. So please avoid unnecessary noise and movements so as not to disrupt our proceedings. Thank you. So to start with, my respect to our guests here present, to our administrating officer, the Honorable Mario Vilmar Alonso of the Municipal Circuit Trial Court of Hindang, Ilopacan, and currently the OIC of the Municipal Trial Court of Hilongos. Our incumbent municipal officials, headed by Mayor Albert R. Villarmosa, the Sangguniang Bayan members, under the leadership of Vice Mayor Manuel M. Gabisan, our newly elected officials, the family of our local officials, guests from various departments and agencies of government, friends, ladies and gentlemen, once again, maayong buntag kaniyong tanan. In accord with Section 43 of the Local Government Code of 1991, elected public officials must take their oath of office and assume responsibility at noon of June 30, following the election. I know we are all excited as warmth of the sun that we are experiencing right now. So I'd like to invite everyone to please stand and together let us sing the Philippine National Anthem and Hilongos hymn to be led by the LGU rhythm and with Hilongos PNP and BFP as officers raising the Philippine flag and Hilongos banner.
Ang ligaya ng may mga
You may now take your seats. Thank you, Elder Ribbon and Hilomas PNP and AFP. Next, you shall hear a welcome message from one of the incumbents and three-time Councilor Sangguniang Bayan member. Let us all welcome Honorable Istuto F. Ong. Distinguished guest, the Honorable Circuit Judge of Hindang Aninopakan, the concurrent NTC Judge of Ilongos, the Honorable Mario Bilbar Alonso, Mayor Albert Villahermosa, Mayor-elect Manuel Villahermosa, Vice Mayor Manuel Gabisan, members of the Sangguniang Bayan of Ilongos, the newly elected officials, government officials, national, provincial, local, the Villahermosa family, Hilongos nun, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good morning. Today, we will witness the very momentous event in our municipality. The oath-taking of our newly elected officials, the turnover ceremony from the old officials to the new ones. Mayor Bintong is known for the progress of our municipality. It is very evident, makita nato, mahigap nato, masimot pagani nato ang mga kalambuan sa atong lungsod under the leadership of Mayor Bintong Villahermosa. But mind you, ladies and gentlemen, under the leadership of Mayor-elect Manuel Denlen Villahermosa, the best of Hilongos is yet to come. So in behalf of the local government of Hilongos, I welcome you all to this very momentous event. Thank you and good morning. Thank you, Honorable Ong. And now, we shall now proceed to the oath-taking ceremony. And let us start with the members of the 16th Sangguniang Bayan of Ilongos. If your name is called, can you please proceed up here on stage? Let me call in Honorable Francisco M. Ortega. Trinidad V. Zarate. Edwin F. Falier. Ali D. Rioma. Bernadette M. Nervis. Manuel D. D. Laura. Manuel M. Gabisan. Chris Antonio D. Ong. I would like to request any member of the family of our Sangguniang member to please come up the stage and witness the oath-taking ceremony. Our administrative officer, the Honorable Judge Mario D. Alonso, to administer the oath.
Good morning. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Avilongos Leyte, Philippines. Having been elected as Sangguniang Bayan member of the municipality of Hilongos, Province of Leyte, Philippines, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge, to the best of my ability, the duties of my present position, and of all others that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines. That I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey the laws, decrees, and legal orders promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines. And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.
Okay. Judge Mario Alonso mao'y
Let us give another round of applause to the
pahulan.
members of the 16th Sangguniang Bayan of Hilongos. congratulations to our 16th Sangguniang members of Ilongos. And now, the Sorhai slogan has given new life and fresh breath to Ilongos for 9 productive and memorable years. So ladies and gentlemen, to take his oath of office as a new Vice Mayor of the Municipality of Ilongos, let us give a warm up applause to our Sorhai Mayor and now serving as Vice Mayor, the Honorable Albert Bintong R. Villahermosa. May I request the family, Villahermosa, to please come up the stage and witness the oath-taking ceremony. I also request the Honorable Judge Mario V. Alonso to administer the oath.
Morning, Vice Mayor. As you take your office, please raise your right hand. I state your name.
I, Albert Villahermosa,
Of Ilongos Leyte, Philippines.
of Ilongos Leyte, Philippines,
Having been elected as
Municipal Vice Mayor of Ilongos Leyte,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will faithfully discharge
that I will faithfully discharge,
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability,
the duties of my present position,
the duties of my present position,
and of all others that I may hereafter hold
and all others after hold
under the Republic of the Philippines,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same,
that I will obey the laws, decrees, and legal orders
that I will obey the laws, decrees, and legal orders
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities
of the Republic of the Philippines,
of the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
A round of applause to our Vice Mayor, Honorable Albert R. Villahermosa. Hermosa for a tutorial for Bilang Vice Mayor. A lyric from the song entitled Mad, Mad in Motion, which states, I can see a new horizon underneath the blazing sky. I'll be where the eagle's flying, higher and higher. Gonna be your man in motion. Ladies and gentlemen, to take his oath as a new leader of our municipality, the man in motion who will take us higher and higher. It is all welcome to take his oath, Honorable Manuel R. Villahermosa.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name,
Manuel R. Villahermosa,
Avilomos Leyte, Philippines,
Avilomos Leyte, Philippines,
having been elected as municipal mayor
having been elected as municipal mayor
of the municipality of Ilocos, province of Leyte, Philippines,
Avilomos Leyte, Avilomos Leyte, Philippines.
do hereby solemnly swear
Do hereby solemnly swear
that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability
that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability
the duties of my present position,
the duties of my present position,
and of all others that I may hereafter hold,
that I will all others and that I hereafter hold
under the Republic of the Philippines.
under the Republic of the Philippines,
That I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines.
that I will defend and support the Constitution of the Philippines,
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
that I will bear an allegiance to the same,
That I will obey the laws, decrees, and legal orders
that I will obey the laws, the peace, and legal orders
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities
promulgated by the duly constituted
of the Republic of the Philippines.
of the Republic of the Philippines,
And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
that I will impose my obligation on myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation or purpose of division.
without reservation, purpose of division.
There you have it. There you have it.
Applause, please, for our mayor, Manuel, Manuel R. Villar Bosman. He is one of the new rising virtuoso violins in the country. He has been a consistent prize winner in the solo violin category of the national music competitions for young artists. As a soloist and orchestra player, he performed in various countries such as Sydney, Hong Kong, Japan, Taiwan, Korea, and Thailand. He was the concert master of the Southeast Asia Youth Orchestra and Wind Ensemble from 2005 to 2008, and became part of the Asian Youth Orchestra in 2010. He is also a member of the Chamber Players of Manila and the ABS-CBN Philharmonic Orchestra. As a soloist, he performs the violin concertos of Mozart, Tchaikovsky, Mendelssohn, Grabstimms, Barber, Wieniawski, and Sibelius. Ladies and gentlemen, it is all welcome to entertain us under the blazing sky, Joseph Brian Jobri Simafranca. A round of applause.
Hasta que llega. Panyilgi ka. Di matabas-tabas. Ngingig. Ito yung gamit ng ito.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. This place will be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space to make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me. Get tired, you let praise. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there's a love that can't lie. Love is strong. It only cares for joy for giving. If we fly, we shall see. In this bliss we cannot feel. We're on track. Stop existing and stop living. Then it feels that always not enough for us going. Make a better world. To make a better, heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me.
Thank you, Mr. Joseph Brian Simon Brown. Indeed, we made our place a better place. Mr. Ivan Cornelius Ko, our municipal government officer of the Department of Interior and Local Government, will now facilitate the ceremonial turnover of responsibility. A round of applause, please, to Mr. Ivan Cornelius Ko.
A pleasant morning sa atong tanan. Morning. Maayo ning ahong nasundan, no? Pareha ni process so far. Tapi yung mga kuwan ko. So medyo na Anyway, I would like nganong muhatag og rason nganong natigom pa karon diri because of the department's issuance of Memorandum Circular 2022-029, wherein the local government unit is mandated to conduct the transition ceremony. It was signed by our outgoing Secretary of the Interior and Local Government, Eduardo Emanio, for a seamless, smooth transition from one power to another. And I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude sa atong outgoing municipal mayor in the person of Honorable Albert R. Villahermosa, kauban sa tanang mga empleyado diri karon nga nagtampong kining adlaw. For the ceremonial turnover, may I request sa atong outgoing municipal mayor and of course sa atong incoming municipal mayor, Honorable Manuel Villahermosa. There is a stage for the banner turnover.
And again, we start our message. It is all welcome our outgoing municipal mayor and now municipal vice mayor, Honorable Albert R. Villahermosa, for his message. A round of applause, please.
My respect to our incumbent mayor, Honorable Manuel Lindlen Villahermosa, our judge, Honorable Mario Alonso, sir, members of Sangguniang Bayan, Honorable Manuel Gabisan, Honorable Boy Ortiga, Honorable Training Sarati, Honorable Balik Nerves, Honorable Bongbong Ong, Honorable Alien Riuma, Honorable Edwin Palier, and our ISKI Commission President, as well as our EBC President. Ahong nanay, ahong tatay, ahong duwa kay suon nga bachi, was been always a critic to me. Friends, department heads, from the provincial, national government offices, from our local government unit, especially from our GO. Kaninyo tanan din under the heat of the sun. Machong buntag natong tanan. 9 years ago, there was a fellow named Dodong Bito. He ran for a mayor on that year, 2013. And by the grace of God, the mayorship was given to him. Bearing his name, his tagline as so high, became a catalyst in this town. And now he is in front of you. Again, 9 years back, on that very stage, there I made my own thinking. Itong babae nakita niyo kanina, a girl who carries the Bible, Rika, is the same girl. Nagdagan ko sa Bible when I took the office as vice mayor. When I took the oath as a mayor, Marion was in my left. King was in my right. In this very street, kiningadaan. After the mass, ikat sa misa from the Punta Mayor, moving through here. Still, Marion is in my left, King is in my right. Naglakaw minimum. We went through in this street, the Captain Bilber Street and Abdiville Tourist Street. And I was remembering that those walks are walk to remember. As I was thinking this turnover message last night, I could not control my eyes. To see the tears. But I said to myself, if life is tough, then I have to be tougher. I have to keep hope in my heart, no matter how I feel. And I'm saying to myself, get up, dress up, and don't give up. Because God is always with you. Now, I have to deliver my turnover message. After working for 9 years, Ilongos has not only grown its local government asset, but the town in general. If you look around, an level nili, business climate, improvement of all our facilities, ports, roads, telecommunication, agri-infrastructure, support facilities, affecting the lives of the 70,000 populace in our municipality. Not only that, Ilongos enjoys the social services, health services, and other basic services has already been improved. My term in 9 years met a lot of challenges. Daghan po tayo nasugatan. We met Yolanda in 2013. Sa Yolanda, bisan pa we are not even as hit as the Waray-Waray town. We receive the same benefits of other towns. In fact, there are some huge money entrusted to our local government units, which other municipalities did not receive. Comes 2016, at itong pesta din,
this very memorial place, I was with Marion and the rest of our job employees as we were watching boxing. Pag-abot sa tunga-tunga, inabot-abot si COVID. If you will remember, we handled COVID so well. Kaya yung kung ano, noon, ang ubang lungsod, ubang syudad, ayun po sila maganda. Pero ang linis nato, when we talk about na biglang affecting business ng COVID, what do that? When other cities and municipalities close their boundaries, ang ato, what do nato? Because we support the interest of the job of the people of Ilongos, labi na doon sa mga negosyante. Kaya, kapit ang human ng termino, yung ending pa doon si Udit. Human ni Udit, nanamilit pa doon si Agaton. Kanang, sige lamang tanggi daw-dao. Pero muna kaingon nga, as I always been saying this, tough times never last, but tough people do. Despite all of this, we have strong, well-managed local government unit. Ang indong mga indicators, kita na ito, business community here in Ilongos, banks, supermarkets, restaurants, pharmacy, transport sectors, etc. Maklaro din nato tayo ang kalainan. Ngani, manotice ninyo sa mga laing municipality na di so parihas sa progress sa lungsod sa Ilongos. All because of the cooperation of the people. And I dedicate this all first to the great architect of the universe. Na mautoy nagpahilom na at higayon ni tanan. And to Marion, I believe she's watching now, and I know she will understand me. My son King also watching me via Zoom. Ang nanay, ang tatay, was been my inspiration. Sabi na ang tatay, we talk together and we agree in many things. Ang igsoon nga sinilip nga atong mayor karon, my sister husband, and especially my Ate Silda was my always my number one critics. My big sister, especially at the lowest point of my life. As I am about to turn over the management of our local government unit, let me remind this, that besides all the accomplishment I have, ang ahong nahimo, there are a lot of imperfections. Daghang pag-ato ko, mga kuwang. So, it will be lending, we will be picking the best I have. Daghang kung ayaw mga timasunod na diin, silili, mauna nga, during the election, I was asking the people to vote for him because I believe he can. Len has to meet a lot of challenges. Tungod kay daghan kayo mga tao sa iyo. And I will be in his back, supporting him and comforting him if necessary. And again, as what I have said during the campaign, his ability, his capacity, and above all, he has the heart that Ilongos known like Bintong. Lastly, let me take this opportunity for all those who have helped me in other way around in bringing Ilongos to so high. And for those itong nakaangkon sa akong imperfection, itong nakatilaw kasaba, I am sorry. Walang personalan, trabaho lang. And again, before I end, Mingon ko ninyo ang inyong suporta, ihatag ninyo dito o wa pa tumaabot o 100% abdanas kang lilim. We will support and we will be behind his administration because he needs our support. May untag nga tanan o daghang salamat.
Our Mayor, Albert Villamosa, Vice Mayor. Isang Speaker ng mga kasama, akong giangyo ang mga department heads sa LGU of Ilongos sa pagsaka aron pagkuha o tulagmoy.
Ako na pagkuha kasama. Kasama.
Himself to deliver his acceptance speech. It is all welcome. Our municipal mayor, Manuel R. Villahermosa. Please stand in honor of our municipal mayor.
My deepest respect to our Lord Almighty, to the Honorable Judge Mario Alonso, Sangguniang members led by Municipal Vice Mayor Albert R. Villahermosa, Barangay Captains, heads from national and provincial offices, civil and federal society organizations, members of the business and religious sector, heads office of the heads of offices, local government entities, to my family members, to my loving wife, Titi, akong mga hinigong maghilumos nun, maayong buntag na napuntahan. Today marks as another milestone in our municipality as we have this turnover and oath-taking ceremony for the new set of our local government officials in our municipality. It is my humble honor and privilege to lead this municipality, having sworn to office as I have been elected with overwhelming support and trust given to me by the people of Ilongos last 2022. I accept this responsibility. I am humbly asking your prayers, support, and cooperation with the hope of bringing Ilongos as greater heights where every one of us can be proud of. Mga kaigsunan kong Ilongos noon, na ako na nang ginawag karon, palihog, abangi ko ninyo, iampo ko, o suportahin ko ninyo. Kaya pa mo na mauni ang akong mayroong adlaw ako na mayor na sa lungsod. Inanay, padayon ang pagkampo na ko. Kaya pa ko na atong lungsod, daghang pagtrabahoon, daghang patang lihok puno na ni unang palihog, Mayor, Vice Mayor Bintong, Honorable Ong, ang uban sa mga opisyalis sa SB, kabangi ang supuntahin ninyo para sa kalambuan sa atong lungsod. Ang atong mga proyekto, atong ipadayon, ang pamahuman ni Mayor Bintong para maglambo ang atong lungsod. Daghang salamat po kayo punta.
Okay. Si Karon Mayor Manuel Linlin Villa Hermosa.
Beginning na yun po akong ganyo, ang akong mga municipal government department heads. Pagkasakan, usap, diri sa akong itong lado, anak sa pagkulito. Ito na itong bagong kayo.
Orang nag-retouch kampiyo daan.
To give us another musical mission, it is welcome back on stage, Mr. Joseph Brian Sinofracta.
Under the blazing sky, ha?
Gitu na.
Nagamit ko nito ang gito dulu.
Dagan dito.
Akit din ma-perfect ang gito dulu. Asa na pa rin ito eh? Oo. Ang gingon ba? Oo na. Oo ba? Oo, yun. Ito na perfect. Ibasag ka ito ka. Ako samay. Wala may. Ako na kaptol. Hapit na na perfect ang dito.
Once again, give it up to Mr. Brian Sinafranca.
Sa tuwing tayo'y makakayo, hindi matahimik ang puso ko. Bawat sandali hanap kita, di makalihog ka ulit, kabilang ka. Dahil kung ika'y makita na, labis-labis ang tuwa na darama. Magis na lamang ang kislap ng iyong mata, kahit ano pa man ay kakayanin ko na. Basta kasama kita, lahat nagagawa, lahat ay maiyan sa'yo. Basta walang kailangan pa. Hahanapin ko, basta kasama kita. Sana ay ikaw na ang siyang mananatiling kasama ko. Dahil hindi ka'y mawawala, pati lahat sa buhay ko'y maglalakad. Kasama kita, lahat magagawa, lahat ay maingaan sa'yo. Basta kasama kita, walang kailangan pa, wala nang hahanapin pa, basta kasama kita. Basta kasama kita, dapat ay mag-aalay sa'yo. Basta kasama kita, walang kailangan, wala nang hanapin pa, basta kasama kita. Wala nang hanapin pa, basta kasama kita.
Once again, Mr. Joseph Ryan Silafranca. Mr. Mark Twain, a famous American writer, once said, "There are 2 days that man has to live. That is the day that he was born, and the day he knows why. And today, a new beginning is at hand." So let us welcome the new administration of the municipality of Ilongos. A round of applause to everyone. Ilongos. And that wraps up our activity this morning. The next will be the inaugural session of our Sangguniang Bayan members. Ang atong mga konsehal, o ang atong vice mayor, madto sa atong Sangguniang Bayan Session Hall for their inaugural session, together with the heads of the departments of the LGU and their family. The rest, madto na sa atong parish gym for the fellowship activity. So this has been your host, John Nervous. I'd like to thank everyone for coming. God bless.
Oh, natapos para yung taon. Natapos ngayon ang seremonial sa pag-asumer sa Galungan sa mga opisyal sa lungsod sa Ilongos. At tumakas sa ST sa Bayan Building, karon alang sa lain na sa Galungan, inagraduation sa ang mga sakop sa Kusino sa lungsod sa Ilongos. Onya, alita sa betul, mga taga-Amerika. Hindi kayo taga-Amerika na ako dito. Hindi na ko yung pamilya.
Ayay! O niya, mabalik na lang ka karon tataon. At na po naman ka dito sa Sangguniang Bayan Building alang sa inaugural session. Kaya salamat sa inyong pagtubay o pagsunod sa inaugurasyon sa mga opisyal sa lungsod sa Ilocos. Hindi po kalagat na ina na iyo, amigo, na si Putira Cubio. Maayong Muntag Ilocos, Surhan!